Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today what we want to do is we want to create our own element that we can use in another presentation or video. I've chosen this picture that I took while I was in Greece about 2 years ago. This is a working windmill, and what I want to do is I want to extract this windmill out and be able to use that as a separate element. Now, first step we're going to do in this, and usually the thing that you would do when you start, is just start by doing the background remover. You can see there in this particular case, there's way too much foreground action. Our windmill sits in the middle ground, so all we lost was the sky. We can get around that if we come out to edit and we hit magic grab, make sure you're in click. It'll highlight a few things that it'll see. In this case, that's what we want. So click both the windmill base and the sails of the windmill. Go to grab. It will extract these out. And like I said, if you got a second, now's a good time to hit the like button. All right, now we've got that we can move. I have another presentation or frame just below here, and let's work with that. All right, so let's make it a little bit bigger so we can see what's missing. I don't really like the way that fence is sitting there, so I'm gonna basically crop it up above the fence. We'll resize it, and there you go. That's a pretty good looking windmill. If you just save this as a JPEG vector, or excuse me, a PNG vector with no background, you can go and use this in your designs anywhere and nobody would know. You got a nice looking Greek windmill. All right, folks, thank you for your time. Please hit that like and follow button. I'm really trying to grow this channel and appreciate all of your help. I will talk to you later.